go on a Melbourne City tram and we're going to see the new kits.
We're so excited that we want to get on the tram right now.
Hello. How are you? What's your name?
Good.
How are you? Good. What's your name? Five. Benny. I'm Bruno, and that's Tim.
That's Tina. That's Tina.
So you excited for today?
Yes.
Who else has got a jersey signed by me and Bruno? Huh? Exactly. Who are your favourite players?
Tim Cahill and Bruno.
Yeah, good. Hey, you know what? We actually said, like, name the players that you would like to come, and they named all three of you. And they said some guy called Neil. We didn't even know who Neil was. Is that Neil? What's his name? Neil?
We felt great.
Amazing.
Well, like,
One way.
amazed.